Welcome to an incredible world where engineering, construction, and mining come to life in miniature form. At first glance, you might think you're looking at a real quarry somewhere in the mountains. Massive trucks move through dusty roads, excavators load heavy material, and powerful machines work together with precision and purpose. But look closer. Everything you see is actually a highly detailed miniature world, carefully built to recreate the excitement and realism of a true mining operation. The adventure begins with a bright orange dump truck waiting patiently beside a yellow excavator. The excavator slowly lowers its bucket into the soil, scooping up sand and gravel before lifting the heavy load high into the air. With remarkable precision, the material is deposited into the truck's bed. Bucket after bucket, the truck becomes fully loaded and ready for its journey. Nearby, another giant enters the scene. A yellow articulated Volvo dump truck begins its trip across the rough terrain of the quarry. Its oversized tires grip the uneven ground as it carefully navigates rocks, dirt, and steep slopes. The camera follows closely, creating the illusion that these are real industrial machines working deep inside an active mine. The level of detail is extraordinary. Every tire tread, warning sticker, hydraulic cylinder, and cabin component has been faithfully recreated to mirror the appearance of real construction equipment. As the operation continues, the quarry comes alive with movement. Machines communicate through action rather than words. Each vehicle has a purpose. Each task is part of a larger mission. Loading, transporting, delivering, building. This miniature world captures the teamwork and coordination that make real construction projects possible. Soon, a new machine arrives on the job site. A powerful Caterpillar bulldozer is transported on a heavy-duty lowboy trailer, pulled by a large truck designed specifically for moving oversized equipment. The convoy slowly makes its way across the red dirt roads of the quarry, bringing additional power and capability to the growing operation. The bulldozer waits for its moment to join the work ahead. What makes this scene truly fascinating is not only the incredible realism, but the passion and craftsmanship behind every detail. Hours of planning, design, and creativity transform simple models into a living, breathing industrial environment. For enthusiasts of heavy machinery, construction equipment, and engineering, this miniature world offers the same excitement as watching the real thing. It reminds us that great projects begin with imagination. Sometimes, even the biggest adventures can be built on a smaller scale. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the miniature quarry. If you enjoy realistic construction models, heavy equipment, and incredible engineering creations, stay tuned for more amazing adventures from the world of miniature machines. Because in this world, size means, but the imagination is